a train song. Go with me one more round. Make 'em leave my boots on when they lay me in the ground. I am a runaway locomotive out of my one-track mind, and I'm looking for any kind of trouble that I can find. This is Ben Brown with morethanguitar.com, and in this video lesson, how to play a Train Song by Todd Snider. There are several recorded versions of this song, but I'm going to show you the basics of it so you can play it your own way. Okay, we're going to start off with the chords like usual. We're going to play a G chord first. It's in the key of G. It starts on G, ends on G, therefore it's in the key of G. So, I'm going to let your first finger hang. Middle finger goes on the 5th string, 2nd fret. Ring finger goes on the 6th string, 3rd fret. And your pinky's going to curl up and play that high E string, the 1st string, on the 3rd fret. Now, this might feel uncomfortable at first, leaving your first finger out, but it'll make the chord changes a lot faster and smoother later on. For instance, going from the G chord to the D chord, all we have to do is pick up our pinky, slide these two fingers together as a unit all the way down to the 1st and 2nd string, so your middle finger is on the 1st string, 2nd fret. Third finger is on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. First finger plays the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and you're going to play 4 strings. To go from there to the E minor chord, pick up your first finger, you're going to leave it out again, and you're going to move your middle finger all the way back to the 5th string, 2nd fret, and then your ring finger kind of crams in behind it on the 4th string, 2nd fret. Notice I had to cheat my middle finger back just a little bit. You play 6 strings. To go from the E minor chord to the C chord is very easy. We're going to start backwards with your ring finger. The ring finger moves up a fret and over a string, so it's on the 5th string, 3rd fret. While you're doing that, your middle finger just moves over one string, so it's on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and your first finger pushes down on the 2nd string, 1st fret. So, to do the whole motion again, slowly, E minor chord, like that, and you're going to play 5 strings. Now, on any chord change, you want to avoid what I call the spider dance, which is where you wiggle all your fingers up around, because you're making the job much harder. You're going from here to here to here, instead of just from here to here. So always look for the shortest distance between chords. Okay, the rhythm. The name of the song is Play a Train Song. So, naturally, we're going to have a train rhythm in it. Got your steady beat, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. But now here's the key to it, the accents. You're going to go 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. Everything's dead even except that 2 and 4. You're going to lean on those a little bit, hit them a little harder. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. Chicka chugga, chicka chugga, chicka chugga, chicka chugga. Now, of course, the beauty of this song is in the lyrics and the idea behind the lyrics. So you're going to want to sing it while you play it. The secret to that is, work your chords up first. Make the motions very small and very smooth. Don't worry about speed, worry about smooth and keeping the motions short and even and as minimalistic and conservative as possible. None of the spider dance. The second thing, work on the rhythm. Just work on the rhythm by itself. I'm muting the strings with my left hand, just laying it on, touching the strings, not pushing down to the frets. Just do that for a while until you get it nice and smooth. Then put the chords and the strumming together. After you can do that pretty easily, then start looking at the lyrics, and if you bobble the chords, don't worry about that. Try to keep the steady beat going and get the next chord, and keep the song going. Don't interrupt the flow of the song just to get a chord. Don't forget to check the links below for the chord chart to this, as well as links to other songs you might like to learn. This is Ben Brown with morethanguitar.com, and this has been How to Play a Train Song by Todd Snider. Thank you for watching. Smoking long black Cadillac, engines winding down, parked it up on the sidewalk like he owned the